The owner's affection for a stone outcropping on her property inspired the design of this house. Conceived as a retreat nestled into the rock, the Pierre, the French word for stone, celebrates the materiality of the site. From certain angles, the house, with its rough materials such as stone, a green roof and surrounding foliage, almost disappears into nature. Both the entry sequence and the powder room were fully carved out of the rock. A bronze shield from 1970, forged by sculptor Paul Evans, floats above the reclaimed siding from a nearby cabin designed by architect Lionel Prees. Together, they form a custom-built cabinet rich in texture and history. To embed the house deep into the site, parts of the stone outcropping were excavated through both mechanical and manual work. The contractor used large drills to define the building's outline, then employed dynamite, hydraulic chippers, wire saws, and other hand tools, working with increasingly finer instruments as the construction progressed. The excavation marks were left exposed on all the stonework as a reminder of the building process. A mirror set within a sky tube reflects natural light into the space. With the exception of a separate guest suite, the house functions on a single main level, with an open-plan kitchen, dining, and living space. The excavated rock was reused as crushed aggregate in the concrete flooring. The wood-clad storage box transitions from the exterior to the interior. Its two large bookcases open to provide concealed access to the laundry and kitchen storage. A large pivoting steel and glass door opens to an outdoor terrace. The materiality of the built structure, mild steel, smooth concrete, and drywall, creates a neutral backdrop for the interior furnishings and artwork and the exterior views of the bay and surrounding landscape. Contemporary works of art by Cameron Martin, Jesse Paul Miller, Andres Serrano, Franz West, and Claude Zervas are mounted inside and outside the house. Interiors were designed by Olson Kundig in collaboration with the resident. Throughout the house, the rock protrudes into the space, contrasting with the luxurious textures of the furnishings. Interior and exterior fireplace hearths are carved out of existing stone. Leveled on top, they are otherwise left raw. The custom light fixtures are based on the designs of Irene McGowan, a Seattle artist and lighting designer best known for her work with noted Northwest architect Roland Terry. Antique furniture and art objects are complemented by custom pieces. The master bathroom sink is made from the existing stone. The guest suite is separate, in the basement. The Pierre is a modern house exploring traditional site and building strategies. In the spirit of using available on-site materials, it incorporates a natural object, the rock, and repurposes it. It is both a quarry and a structure.